Welcome to HYCM Insight with myself, Giles Coughlin. Now, the market mood for the session ahead, I'm going to show you how to use the Seasonax screener, a product that is available for HYCM clients. Now, the screener is very, very easy to use, and you can use it to screen 25,000 individual stocks, currency pairs, indices, as well as commodities. So how does it work? Well, first, you choose your market. So you just click on the screener, and then once you've clicked on the screener, choose the market you'd like to look at. So in this instance, we're going to look at the Nasdaq. And then you simply set your limit. So you choose your start date, you then choose your examination period, and you can choose the minimum and maximum time period. So in this instance, we've chosen our parameters, and there we can see Netflix has some very strong gains during this time. And we can see that over the last sort of 10 years, and let's just change the date to today's date just to give it a better sense. You can see that over the last 10 years, between the 9th of December and January the 6th, Netflix has gained a incredible 80% of the time, and you can see that the average return has been 7.52%. Now, what that means is that this is a seasonally strong period of time for Netflix. Now, the major trade risks to this would obviously be if the Fed does signal faster hike rates quickly next week, that could cause tech stocks to fall in the near term. Some investors are very worried about the prospect of too fast interest rate hikes from the Federal Reserve. That's why we've been seeing the flattening of the yield curve. However, if the COVID Omicron variant fears remain, then there may be further gains in the so-called stay-at-home stocks if people are forced to go into further lockdowns. But remember that HYCM clients can access the Seasonax product in order to analyse over 25,000 different currency pairs, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. So if you would like to use this product, please do contact your account manager for a trial to get started right away.